Hi, my name is Mark Walker. I'm the editorial director at the Fintech Times, and we're here at Simnis, North Africa. I'm going to start off by asking my interviewee to introduce herself to the camera.
Hello, my name is Mariam Darwish. I'm a program manager at Qsalary.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us. So let's start off with a little bit. Give us an idea of what is Qsalary and who are you?
So Qsalary is a B2B fintech solution. We launched in Saudi Arabia in 2021. We have been there for almost 4 years, and our main target was to provide an in-advance salary to the companies to provide this service to their employees as well, to make every day a payday, so that the employee can decrease the financial stress that they are having. That was actually the main target why we started this business, because we felt that the financial stress is getting much higher every day for everyone, especially regarding the salary that we have to wait till the end of the month to receive what we have earned actually and what we have worked for. So this enables us to take part of our salary on daily basis whenever available for us. To target this part.
And so obviously from that perspective, obviously, as you say, people are having to wait a month and working before they can get their salary. So what it enables them to do then is to effectively take part of their salary out beforehand. But the whole solution is organized and set up through their company, so they don't have to get involved in it themselves. So you're selling to the company.
Yeah, the whole process goes as the following. It's through an app. The user is the employee is actually downloading this app after integration with the company. So the company is giving us access to their data, and we present this data to the users in order to have access to the app, so they can see how much they can request from their earned salary, and we in return we pay that instead of the company to the employer itself, and they receive it instantly to their bank accounts directly.
And so what it means for the company's point of view is the company doesn't incur any more cost. It doesn't affect their cash flow because they still only pay you at the end of the month.
It's totally free for the companies. There is absolutely no cost for the companies itself. The employee are the ones who are paying for this service through a transaction fee. It's a fixed transaction fee since we are Sharia compliant, and this is our advantage in the market. We are not taking any kind of interest on the transaction or anything. And when the employee is requesting part of their salary, this transaction fee is being transmitted or deducted from his total salary at the end. So the company, at the end of the month, they pay us what we have paid already for the company, for the employee, and then they deduct this amount from the employee themselves. So let's say that if the company has around 100 employees, then they will consider us the 101 employee.
And then I guess, obviously, we're here in Egypt and North Africa, so you've obviously seen some similarities to. There's a need in this market as well, similar to Saudi. How did you go about that? And is it exactly the similar? Or do you think there's slight differences in the way that you're offering things?
The similarities are the financial stress, which is indeed the main common thing between all of us. However, the difference is that in the market here, we do not have so much services that are Sharia compliant who are providing this service. For the employees or the companies, everything is related with interest, which is giving more financial stress, makes you all the time feel that you are in debt to someone else, that you have to pay back what you already have. However, what we are providing or what we are offering, that you do not have to pay anyone anything back. You're just taking what you have already worked, what you have already earned. It's your right to have. And it will be deducted for your salary at the end. And that's basically it.
Have you seen any difference in the type of companies that are interested in using the service here in Egypt compared to Saudi? Maybe difference between restaurant workers or manufacturing workers, or?
Actually, we are not targeting one category. However, everyone is we can work with. We are compatible with all different categories. We have worked with people from restaurants. We have worked with people from big companies and corporations and everything. So it can be like corporate, it can be small to medium enterprises and everything. So there is no specific category in difference between here and there. So when we are targeting them, we reach out to them and they reach out back to us as well, because everyone has the need for this service as well.
And I guess it contributes to sort of financial inclusion and various other sort of social positive things, because it gives access to perhaps a salary that people wouldn't normally have got access to. Is that something specific that you designed into it, or is that just a positive thing that's happened because of what's been done?
No, actually, this was one of our targets as well, to reach out to those people as well who are having no salary income and so on, who has no stability maybe to receive their earned wage and so on. So we even through this in here in Egypt, now we are going to start with NIM card to process and issue a new card and so on, so that everyone can use this card easily to take their salary or part of the salary that they have requested through this card. So even the people who are not very well established or not that much fortunate actually to be able to receive, like in the bank's procedures and so on, that we do that on their behalf and they get the service directly to them seamlessly. Yeah. So
seamlessly. It's a good plug. And sort of finally, thinking about obviously being here at Seamless, is there anything you've seen here that has been interesting, or what do you think is the most interesting thing you've seen during your experience here in Egypt?
Here in Seamless, actually, it's very interesting. Everything, like all the ideas are very nice, especially the startups and so on. They're providing very nice ideas. I really love the sport, actually, in any big event. Like whenever you are giving the chance to small startups and entrepreneurs to showcase their ideas and to give them the opportunity to grow. This is really the most interesting part in any event that I'm attending. Like, because the other big names, they are already there. They already know. However, the spotlight should go as well and give the opportunity to them. So for me, this is the highlight of the event in Seamless and in any other.
Wonderful. Thank you very much for joining me on Seamless TV, powered by the Fintech Times.
Thank you so much. Thank you.